And then the last, did I hear you properly when you say there is no crime intelligence in this country?
There is, but it can do better.
No. Just to check if I properly captured that statement. Did you say there is no crime intelligence in this country? We should be knowing who is committing these criminal activities, the hitmen, this and that.
Chair, many of the operations that we see happening, like your crash in transit, they are there. They give information, but there's still a lot that can improve or where we are not winning the fight at all. And that is where I believe that crime intelligence should actually, that is why there was a meeting where the minister at some point wanted to know who's behind the drugs, the drug lord, the drug cartels, who's behind the proliferation of firearms, who is killing people in these gang-infested areas, in all these areas. We need that kind of intelligence. Who are the kingpins behind the extortions?
So you, essentially, even if you may not repeat that statement, you are just saying that where you stand, you are unhappy with the progress that is being made.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I think I just wanted to understand that, but I see there are two honorable members who have, or three. It will be Honorable Skosana, Honorable James, Honorable Ngola, in that order.
Thank you, Chair, once again. I think the clarity is not yet clear from the General, because what I've noted as well is that the General said there's no crime intelligence in this country. Now, I just want to capture, because I don't want to, when we start tomorrow, then it's like we are misleading the witness on the day. So this clarity, it doesn't come up clean, General. I think when you said there's no crime intelligence, do you really mean that there's no crime intelligence in the country, or something else? Because what you said on record is that in this country there's no crime intelligence. I thank you, Chair.
Look, Chair, literally speaking, I don't say there is no crime intelligence. They don't exist. They exist, but there has been instances even where Janam Mkonas himself is saying that in case that then there's no crime intelligence really that is giving satisfactory performance there, because